So I recently took a couple snapshots with my collage because I haven't really gave it its own little moment. I was on my way out with my friends. I was wearing this dress that made me feel a lot less bloated. And so I figured, you know what? Let's pay homage to my awesome collage. The direction that I took when I was curating this collage was definitely, I wanted to invoke emotion, whether it be through textures, colors, patterns. It was just so much going on here. Each piece tells its own story. This one's by far my favorite. I feel like it's giving a lot of energy, sexual, passion, lust, love, all the elements. I really believe that their energy made those diamonds that are shown there. And that's the awesome thing about it, that everyone has their own take on what story the art is saying. You know, side note, if you're gonna propose to me, get me a ring pop. But within all of my collage, there's a piece that was a gift, and whether it be the color, but really I think it's the size. Breakfast at Tiffany's. She just didn't fit anywhere cohesively. As I went, when I was curating my pieces, I sized them and chose smaller ones, bigger ones, depending on what fit. While it didn't fit there, I felt like it might have a really good spot at the front. I have this awesome abstract piece right there that's making a statement, giving the space attitude, in my opinion. I thought she would tuck nicely behind, and she's one of the first things people see, and I think she's perfect there. What do you think?